Hey broskis, in this video I'm going to give you some great tips for the gym, and also I'm going to make a post-workout meal, my go-to meal. Not my go-to meal because sometimes I eat chicken and rice, but now I want to I want to gain some testosterone, man, because I'm natural. So I'm going to eat 6 eggs. Yes, 6. For me it's so many. I'm going to weight it down because I don't know how much grams it's going to be, but I will show you how I'm doing these things. So maybe you are just starting out in the gym and you don't know where to start. Broski, it's easy. Just start with once a week, or most important, it would be better if you would start with 2 times a week, full body. And if you are going to do 3 times a week, that's the best you can do. But I think for you, if you're starting out, it's pretty hard for you. If you're going to go once or twice per week, it's absolutely normal. You're going to make some gains. You just have to start, because the most hardest thing in the gym is starting, because it's not in your comfort zone. You are not prepared for it because you've never done it. You are not good for it, so your ego is kind of shocked that, hey, there is something in my life which I can't control because you are not used to it, you are not familiar with it. But after a time, your new identity is going to be gym bro, and you are going to be confident in the gym, and you will know your stuff. You will feel good, and then it's going to be impossible to not to go to the gym. If I have rest days, I hate my life. I want to go to the gym every single day, but of course it's not optimal, not the most optimal thing to do, so I'm not going. But today I had a pretty good push day. If you want to, I know when I started, I just wanted to find a pretty, what the fuck? But yes. When I started to go to the gym, I wanted to, let's go. I wanted to, know everything. I wanted to know the perfect exercise routine, gym routine. I wanted to know if push pull leg, upper lower, full body is the best. So I always tried something out, and I thought that I'm going to miss out if I don't try the next one. So I was always ruminating over these routines, and then I stayed with push pull legs, and I made good progress with it. But after it, I started to watch more and more videos. Oh, this is even better if you would do, I don't know, push pull leg, then upper lower, or full body, then push pull leg, or I don't know what is his name, Arnold split. And I always then change my routines so badly that I couldn't even do progressive overload. That's the next stuff, by the way, because if you're always changing your routines, you're never going to know how to. You're never going to be alone. Jesus, you're never going to be. You're never going to know how to. Oh my God, I can't even speak in English. Sorry, guys. You're not going to be able to track your exercises, because if you are, I don't know, if you're doing what I'm doing now, on every push day, I'm doing 2 sets of incline presses and 2 sets of cable flies. And if I'm doing only that every single week, twice, then I'm just going to know how to track it, and I'm going to know if I'm, progressive overloading it, if I'm getting stronger in that area. But back then, what I did, I don't know, bench press, then I did the next week something else, then I saw some fitness influencers kind of yes exercise, I tried that, and I never knew if I'm going to get stronger in it, because I always change that so fast. So the best thing for you is choose some exercises. You don't have to get complicated. Bench press is fucking awesome. The incline, dumbbell press is more optimal, but if you're just going to start with bench press, stick with bench press every single week, and track it. You have to, progressive overload these stuffs. By the way, starting to heating up my pan, and I want to weigh down my salami. I'm going to do, I don't know how is this called, by the way, not scrambled eggs, but fried egg. Yes. I'm going to put there, I think, 100 grams of turkey salami, or I don't know, no, pork salami. 70 g. I love pork salami, and it's good source of protein. Hell yeah. Give me that 100 g. Cool. 105, by the way. And I can change the hands. Oh, okay. So here is my pen. I'm just going to put you up here so I can start to, make some things happen. I use olive oil or fat. Duck fat is the best one, but now we have pork fat because that's what my mom bought. So, but we had duck fat for almost a year. But if I don't have anything, I just use olive oil. I never use sunflower oil. Yes, we have sunflower oil here because my mom uses it, but that's her. And I'm also putting some cheese in it because I love cheese. So, yes, so you have to start, find an exercise routine, stick to it, and do the exact same exercises every single week so you can track it. And the next important thing, you just have to be, it's going to be loud, no? You have to be in calorie surplus, because if you are going to cut, because what I have done, almost my entire gym career I cut it, because I started with kind of fat, and then I did some bulking, but it wasn't bulking. Then I cut it down almost more than half a year. Then I bulked up really badly, and then I cut it more than a year now. So now I have abs, but so almost my whole gym career was cutting. I still made some pretty good progress. So, but I never really bulked in a lean way, in a good way. Perfect. So, just for you to know what is happening here. It's fucking shit. Why I can't? Maybe because it's cinematic. So I'm just what? And we are just going to wait. Maybe I'm going to end the video and then show you guys the after match after. I can't speak too nice today. Sorry. So yes, I'm just going to write until it's done. But back to the video, and then I'm going to put some cheese on top of that, and I'm going to put some black pepper on it, some salt and chili, because I love chili, but not that much. We have some Slovak stuff here. Yes, thank you. Oh, and garlic powder. That's fucking good. And now we are just waiting. I have to. Hell yeah. So, where we are? Progressive overload. Track your lean bulking. Now I'm starting to bulk because I was on 1800. Yes, 1800 calories, but it wasn't that much because I had to cut down, and I really fucked up my cutting because almost a year I was on 1800 calories. So my fuck that, I can't speak tonight. So today, so my fuck how it's called, and you eat and you have to. I don't care. This video is going to go out in this way. So yes, I fucked up it, and now I'm on, I don't know, I'm not even tracking in the last weeks because I had some pretty bad things happening to me, but I'm talked about it in some videos, I think. Yes, I made a video yesterday when I was kind of emotional. I don't know if I'm going to put it out to you, but I'm going to see it. And yes, so I haven't tracked now, but I'm starting to get back, and I'm going to go to, I think, 2300, how do you call it, 2300 calories. I'm going to see if I'm going to gain weight. I don't want to gain fat because I hate fat. As soon as I'm going to bulk, my face is going to be like fatty, because that's the first place where my fat goes, then my stomach. So I pretty hate it, and I love to being this lean, but I have to bulk because I can't get stronger now. In 2 years, which I did gym 2-3 years, I could get stronger by cutting, because you gain, but now it's not that easy. So this is my first proper lean bulk. I watched some videos. I'm going to go with 2300 calories. We will see. Then I'm going to go always upper like 100 or 200 calories. We will see. So everything what you have learned in this video was you have to start with once a week, maybe 10-20 minutes as you should, then as you want, then twice, then 3 times a week. Choose then I would choose full body or upper lower. Upper if you know your lower body is, you don't really want to focus on lower body. I never focus on lower body. Yes, now it seems, and now I'm starting to do leg days. But if you start out and it's hard for you, just start with, I don't know, upper body 2 times a week, and you don't need to do legs. At least you know the habit is going to get easier and easier. It's going to be your new identity. So then if you can go to the gym multiple days and you want, so you can do legs, and then you can do push pull leg or Arnold split. I don't care, choose one, and don't change exercises too often. You can change after months, or if you try out say something new and you hate it, then you of course you can change it. But after a time, let's make a stable routine and stick to it, and you know always track with application or with paper. I use Liftoff, it's for free, or you can use Strong, and you will see if you have PRs and these things, and you will know if you're getting stronger or not. If you're not getting stronger, maybe there's something problem, maybe you are cutting, maybe you don't eat enough. But don't just go for, I don't know, 4,000 calories, because you are going to gain so much fat. If you are not getting stronger, if you are not like gaining weight, that means you don't eat enough. Then increase with 200 calories, try it out for 1 or 2 weeks, and you will see if your weight is going to move up. If it doesn't, you can increase it again. If it's going to move up slowly and you are going to get stronger, stick to it until you can get stronger, because then it means you need more calories. That's all. It's a journey, broski, and you are going to, you know, experience more and more. You are going to be more and more expert in the gym area. So my food is going to be almost ready, and I'm going to eat, yes, bread next to it, because now I'm working, so I can eat bread. But I'm going to eat rice. No, I'm going to eat 2 slices of bread to it. That's all. So 6 eggs. Ham, not salami, ham. Okay, pork ham. Yes, it's ham. So 100 gram ham, then 6 eggs. I weighted it, it was 303 grams of raw egg. And then I'm going to put some 2 processed cheese slice with ham on the top of it, or maybe 3. And I'm just going to eat it with 2 slices of bread, and it's going to give me some healthy proteins, healthy fats, omega vitamins, and it's fucking good with testosterone. And of course, and these these eggs are homemade. How do you call it? Natural, bio, because we buy it from a farm next to us. So they are not, these chickens are not in cages, so it's natural, and it is a lot better than just buying it from the store. So I'm getting almost all the good stuff with my eggs. I start to get back to eating at least 5 eggs every single day, and after it I'm just going to eat some chicken and rice in the evening. That's all. That's everything I wanted to tell you, brothers. Hopefully you love this video. Until then, don't worry, be happy.